What is up, everybody? Welcome back to today's video. Today I have two really hyped clone fragrances that I want to test out. It's two of my favorite niche fragrances. Amore Café, it's a clone of Amore Café, and there's also a clone of Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. But before we get into this video, I just want to say if you want to sample any fragrance in my collection, including the ones featured in this video, please check out my fragrance sampling website, top link in the description. Now let's get into the unboxings. Alright, we're going to get started with the Amore Café clone. It is by Khadlaj. It's called Café Latte. And I've heard some great things online about this, and I'm really excited to open this up because Amore Café is actually my favorite fragrance of all time currently. It just smells great. I'll be comparing the two and telling you how close they are. But yeah, Amore Café is one of my favorite fragrances of all time, and oh, this is cool. Ooh, that's awesome. On the back it has the notes right there. I don't know if you can see that. It says top notes of sweet almond, coffee, and milk, heart notes of ambery, licorice, and white flower, and base notes of caramel, musk, and nut. That doesn't sound crazy similar to the Amore Café breakdown, but I guess we will see. Boom, here it is. It's a nice bottle, I'm not gonna lie. Really nice bottle. Nice high quality bottle. I really like this. Now let's spray it on a tester. Alright, I have a tester strip here. Oh, wow. Okay, wait. I don't know if y'all just noticed that, but it didn't do the little like dry squirt thing. So that means this has maybe been sprayed before. Oh my goodness. This is identical. What? Sorry, I kind of have a lost voice right now. But oh my goodness. This is identical pretty much. Oh my goodness. Alright, so it does have a slight more kind of less smooth blended, more of like a harsher alcohol smell to it. And a little bit of more white florals. But that is about it. Holy, this is really close. Man, all right, that's awesome. Okay, but I am a little bit like weirded out by the fact that I didn't do any dry sprays before I sprayed that, because y'all watched me just unbox that. Wow, that's actually really nice. It just has a slight more kind of almondy white floral aspect to it. Now I'm gonna spray the original on a tester and kind of compare the two. All right, I have the original in this hand and the clone in this hand. Yeah, honestly, the original is just a little bit deeper, more of like a brown sugar kind of toffee smell, with that coffee and that vanilla ice cream. That's kind of the profile of Amore Café. It smells like a caramel frappuccino, if you didn't know that. Yeah, this is just kind of deeper, whereas the clone is a little bit lighter, a little bit more floral. I really like it. I like the original better, for sure. But this is about 90% of the way there for like $40. So yeah, I think a very solid buy if you want a clone of that and you don't want to pay like 120 bucks. Yeah, really nice, honestly. I'll probably still stick to the original when I'm wearing it, but great clone. If you want to check it out, definitely sample it on my website. Alright, now the next clone I have is of Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, which is another one of my absolute favorite smelling fragrances. But that thing is like $400. So, I have, what is this? Haramain's Amber Oud Tobacco Edition right here. I heard this is a very good clone. I know there's also like a Maison Alhambra clone that is pretty good, so I might get that if this one doesn't quite meet my expectations. But basically, I just want a fragrance that smells just like Tobacco Vanille for a fraction of the price, which is, from what I heard, what this fragrance should be like. This is my second Amber Oud fragrance. I have Amber Oud Gold, which is an Herba Pura clone. But this is what the box looks like. Pretty cool. This lifts up. Boom, here it is. Here is the bottle. It has more of like a rose gold kind of finish. It's also a 60 milliliter bottle. Alright, I've got a tester here. Let's spray this. If you don't know, Tobacco Vanille is just a very deep vanilla kind of spicy scent. Okay, this one's doing the dry spray. Oh my goodness, that atomizer is nice. Oh man, it smells. Oh, that's really close. Oh, yes. Yes. Ooh, I might wear this tonight, honestly. Yeah, that's really close. Okay, this is not 100% spot on, but this is really freaking close. Okay, you definitely get that vanilla, and you get those kind of candied spices, like the dark dried fruit spices. It's really nice. I love this a lot. I love the scent profile. Again, not 100% close, and I would still rather wear the Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille kind of profile. Like the original profile smells better, but this is close enough where I will be wearing this pretty darn often, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, I'm gonna wear this tonight. This is great. I love this. I'm gonna spray Tobacco Vanille, the original, on a strip and compare the two. Alright, so the original is in this hand and the clone is in this hand. Oh yes, the original is good as ever. And the clone is honestly like 95% of the way there. Tobacco Edition is closer to Tobacco Vanille than Café Latte was to Amore Café. It's like 95% of the way there. Really nice. Has a slight more like a less deep, slightly more fresh aspect to it. It's not fresh, but it's slightly fresher, as in the original is less fresh. I think the tobacco in the clone is kind of just more clean and out there. But man, this is really good. Very, very close to the original scent profile, and I'll definitely be wearing this. I really hope it lasts long too, because the original only lasts like 6 or 7 hours, and I want a little bit more longevity out of that. But smells amazing. I love it so much. I definitely honestly recommend both of these clones. They're really great. But yeah, that is going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If I was to rate both these fragrances, I'd give them both a 9 out of 10. They're both terrific, very, very close to the originals, and I will definitely be wearing them. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to sample any fragrance in my whole collection, please check out my fragrance sampling website, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.